My people, you are welcome back again. Today we want to make a special akara. Let's do it together. Beans, washed and peas, onions and pepper, add water, then blend. Pour in a bowl. I'm going to mix it now. Please mix very well so that it will not absorb oil. Salt, we just added sweet pepper, spring onions, then mix. Let's start frying. Let's turn it. It's golden brown, so I will remove it. My people, we are done. You can see how beautiful the akara is looking. So I'm going to enjoy it with food. Join me. Thank you very much for watching. Please support me by subscribing. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.